For each video you watch, you will receive 61 cents. For each additional video, 32 cents. For each additional video, 47 cents, and so on. Using the method demonstrated in this video, you may earn $2.48 every minute while watching YouTube videos. I'll give you a bonus tip at the end of this video that will enable you to use this new website to create $600 per day in 100% passive income. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Learn how to start earning money online by viewing YouTube videos by going to this website. wintop.com is the domain name of the website. This webpage serves this purpose. You have the option of earning $1 for each referral who signs up for the site using your link. Or you can select to watch content like commercials, YouTube videos, movies, and TV series. You can transfer money to your bank account, PayPal account, or one of the other withdrawal options after you have the necessary minimum in your account. In order to enable more than 1,500 firms, including those listed on this page, to continuously give you new videos, our website has partnered with them. You can read more about our website by clicking the About Us icon in the top right corner of the page. To use this website, click the Sign Up button over here. Just your first and last name, birthday, gender, email address, and password are required. As you can see, your account has been credited with $5 as a welcome bonus. Make sure this CAPTCHA is verified before clicking Create Account. That's wonderful! I'll now show you how to raise the earnings on your account. 5 videos are available for viewing to the left side of the screen. The first video is shown on the screen to begin, and you will get paid 61 cents for watching it. After clicking play on this video, an advertisement will be displayed. Thus, click play once more to avoid it. You simply need to watch the first 34 seconds of the video before it starts playing. As the video plays, keep an eye out for the countdown counter that shows how much time is left. When the specified time has passed, simply click the complete button beneath the video and another commercial will play. Simply close it and click complete once more. A message with the words "successfully completed" will be displayed. You have been paid 61 cents according to the dashboard. Refreshing the website will cause the amount to show up in your account. You can see that your balance has climbed to $5.61. The same procedure applies to videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. Select the second video, skip the subsequent commercial, and then click play once more. 34 seconds of the video must pass before you can click the complete button. The next time you can see an ad, just close it and press the complete button once more. After another page refresh, we can see that your account balance has climbed to $5.93. However, you must be aware that the number of videos you can watch is limited to 1 each day. The first or second video will notify you that it will be removed in 24 hours if you click on it once more. But don't worry, I'll show you another way to keep making $2.48 every minute. Simply creating several accounts on this website is step number 2's only requirement if you want to keep making $2.48 from these 5 movies alone. For instance, you can create 5 to 10 accounts. In less than a minute, you will receive $2.48 in total, 61 cents from one account, plus 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents, and 56 cents. With 10 accounts, you may easily and rapidly make $24.80 in a short amount of time. Don't worry if you just have one email address. There is a bonus tip that will assist you in creating several accounts. Before I briefly demonstrate something, please log out of this account and click sign up once more to start the registration process for a new one. On the subsequent page, you can simply type a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender. When you get to the email address field, you need to perform the following if you just have one email address. The website will notify you that this email has already been used if we accept to use it again after you have previously used it. The catch is that all you have to do is put a dot here for it to be accepted. You just created a new account using the same email address as you can see. Anywhere on the email address can have dot. Various variation, including here, here, and even here, are all valid. The good news is that all emails sent to the additional email addresses I just provided will be routed to the primary email address. That is how Google works, and it's a well-kept secret that few people are aware of. The next step is to navigate to the top right corner, click My Account, then select Referral to make $600 in purely passive revenue. You can see that you will receive $1 for each referral that register using your link on this website when you are forwarded here. Let me share a secret additional trick with you that will help you draw in tens of thousands of new visitors to your website who will join up using your referral link and pay you $600 per day in passive income. For this phase, let's visit facebook.com in the search box. Enter Make Money Online. Choose the group options from the results, and then click on Public Groups by scrolling a little bit down. This can help you locate a number of open groups that anybody can join. The good news is that you don't need anyone's permission to join any of these groups, and you can do it with ease. As an illustration, if you click on this group over here, you will be directed to a page with a ton of posts promoting various options to make money online. You only need to create a post that is identical to this one. As you can see, this person only posted a short while ago, and a number of curious people liked and commented on it. If just 600 of the tens of thousands of members of our community join up using your referral link, you will easily earn $600 every day on wintub.com. Let me show you how to create a Facebook post to advertise your referral link within this community. Describe how you made $60 from the website by simply watching adverts. It is totally free. Let's utilize Google to look up Wintub payment proof to find the image. Just leave a comment below with how, and I will send you the details. If you click on the Photos option here, you will be able to see all of these images as well as the Wintub payment evidence. Since you claimed in your post that you had been paid $60, select this photo of a $60 bill to serve as payment documentation. Then save it to your computer. After that, we'll go back to Facebook and click here to upload the picture you just downloaded. This is how the post will look. You can eventually make a lot of money by replicating this process in numerous different Facebook groups for making money online, possibly even more than $600 each day. To get started, try signing up 20 to 30 people each day, which would generate between $600 and $900 per month with straightforward Facebook posts. To withdraw your money from this website, simply hover your mouse over My Account once again and select the Withdraw option. Then you'll be taken to this website where you can withdraw your money in 4 different methods. For Western Union, the minimum threshold is $100. For PayPal, the minimum is $80. And for WebMoney and Pioneer, the minimum threshold is similarly $80. Once you've achieved the threshold limit, all that's left to do is create your account by clicking Withdraw. Making $80 is quite easy if you correctly use the 2 strategies discussed in this video. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.